Alright, hold
I
on.
hate having a digital footprint.
Don't worry. The only thing people are going to see are your steady surgical hands. Sugar glider's face.
My hair, not my
Just
hair.
squish
Steph
in
still
there.
doesn't come back. I have her money. I'm not gonna steal it.
This one?
I'm not done with this yet. There we go.
This expert, calm restraint.
There we go.
No?
Good
Right.
job.
No, this is the last foot.
You see, he doesn't move around as much. He's a biter, not a mover.
Got all his arms and legs.
God damn.
You're so calm.
Wait.
Did you get that one?
Yeah, I think I did this already.
No, this one. These two.
This one, yeah.
No touching the trombone.
Yep. Ooh, I think that was too much.
It's okay.
You're okay, buddy.
Good. One more.
It looks like
gonna
it was
get
too. I
poop
think
on
I cut
my
too much. It looks like it's starting to bleed.
Okay. Put a little styptic powder, or does it need it?
There we go.
Oh, you
Doesn't
need
look like it's bleeding away.
No, it
A
doesn't.
lot.
I think you're good.
Good.
There we go.
Alright, you're free.
Let's see if he gets stuck on anything. Did I get poop on anything? No, okay, good.
Out of
No, he
here.
doesn't seem to be getting stuck, so
said
he's good now.